So I just thought I'd show you today how to make a simple snare. This is something that will be tied into my Altoids tin, and it's the snare wire that I'm using in the tin. What I found easiest was this brass picture wire, which you can pick up at any hardware store. 3.5 feet of 550, about 2.5 feet of the wire. So anyway, the first thing you want to do is make a noose, a loop at the end, and this one's going to be pretty small, so I'll pre-size it pretty much to where I want it. So about there. You don't want to go so small that it starts to kink. And then twist. I've probably used an excessive amount on the end here, but just for demonstration purposes. So there we've got a small loop at that end, and at the other end you want to have a bigger loop so you can attach your cord. So you do want to put this through first. So there's your sliding loop. You can see that there. So at this end I'm going to make a larger loop, and it's just going to be the same process but a little larger. I chose brass. I'll just go for a simple hitch. And the thing about the hitch that is pretty easy is to just remember that whatever you do the first time, I've gone over and under, you need to do again the second time. So again, over and under. And then pull that tight. You can do anything you like to attach it to your stick, your stake, or whatever it is that you're securing the end to, but I like to use the taut line hitch and be able to adjust it. And the same again with these hitches. It's just whatever you do the first time, you do again the second time. So in this case, I'm going to go over and under and through. And then I'm going to do another one. And this is on the inside of the loop, over and under and through. And then the next one will be on the outside of the loop, and it will go the same again. So it goes over, under and through, and then just dress that up by pulling that in tight. Yeah, it's binding now. So you can then just adjust this length wherever you need to set your snare so that it's immediately going to catch and pull tight. Just to demonstrate how this would actually work in the field, and Mr. Rabbit comes through, pokes his head up, and there it is, pulled tight. And goodbye, Mr. Rabbit. Thank you very much. You could stand the loop up if you were placing it on a game trail. And the trick with snares really is to determine where the animals actually go. So you could stand this loop up like this, but there it is, a simple snare. Just go and make a trip to the hardware store. And the other thing is, with the picture wire, you can hang up a lot of pictures.